Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be making low carb / keto zucchini muffins, and I think these are gonna be so good, especially if you like zucchini, and even for people who really haven't had it before. As you guys know, if you've had it, it's not like a really strong tasting vegetable, so I think it's a good way to sneak in some veggies into a somewhat dessert or like a breakfast food. So just keep watching to see how I make it. I've already preheated my oven to 350, and I've also prepared these little like cupcake holders in a muffin tin. So I am not gonna make it like a loaf like you would like in a bread pan. I'm just going to make little muffins instead. It's easy for on the go. I know on the way to work, like I could eat this with some almond milk. If you're going to use a loaf pan, just make sure you grease it and then line it with parchment paper. So I'm gonna grab a large mixing bowl and mix together 1/2 cup of butter and then 3/4 of a cup of swerve or your favorite low carb sweetener. All right, so I've got the softened butter. Now I'm going to put the 3/4 of a cup. I put a little bit more of the swerve, and then I'm just gonna mix it together really well. Now I'm going to add 5 large eggs. Mix this all together. Okay, then I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. So at this point, I would go ahead and grab a different bowl for all of your dry ingredients. We are going to mix in 1½ cups of almond flour, we're going to do 1/4 cup of coconut flour. We're going to do 4 teaspoons of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, a teaspoon of xanthan gum, and a little bit of salt. I am going to mix together the dry ingredients and the wet ingredients. We're almost done. Now we're just going to grate the zucchini. So I have gone ahead and grated the zucchini. So I'm gonna go ahead and add this to this mixture. Alright, so it is all mixed up. Now I'm going to put it in the cupcake tins. Alrighty, so I'm gonna go ahead and put all of these in the oven for about 50 minutes and I'll show you guys when they're done. Alrighty, So the muffins are out of the oven and they look so good. Oh my gosh, I can't wait to eat some. Hey guys, so that is it for the low carb and keto zucchini muffins. I hope you guys enjoy them and don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll see you next time. Bye.